everyone, welcome to our vlog.
Today, we're talking about the most easiest but most effective exercise you can do anywhere, the jumping jack.
So what exactly are jumping jacks? It's that classic move where you jump with your arms and legs going out, then back in. Simple, right?
Yes, but don't be fooled. This exercise is powerful and gives your body so many benefits.
Here are the benefits of jumping jack. First, it gives your heart pumping, which improves your cardiovascular health.
Second, it helps burn calories, perfect if you want to stay fit or lose some weight.
And third, it's a full body workout. Your legs, arms, and core are all working together.
The best part, you don't need any equipment and you can do it anywhere, at home, in school, or even during breaks.
Exactly! Just a minute or two of jumping jacks can boost your energy and mood instantly. So if you're looking for fun and easy way to stay active,
Try the jumping jack today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. See
see
you
you
in
in
the
the
next
next vlog.
vlog.